Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures. And since it was raining outside and I was feeling bored at home, I took a rig and I came towards Linking Road, and I went to this Arif Lamold outlet which is in Bandra.
Hello.
So I had a grand welcome at the outlet, and all the staff members were like, welcoming me just to show like the store. In fact, this is the second time I came to this outlet. Always I order the items or the products, whatever I want, I order it online and I get it delivered in Goa. And here they were briefing me about the chocolates that they have, and which are all on discounted rates and which are all on the normal, whatever rates. And all the kind of dry fruits is available with them. And these are the molds and the cutters and cookie cutters and chocolate molds and then cake toppers, you name it, and they have everything with them. So now these are the new bubble kind of balls which they use it for the cake decoration or maybe cake making, whatever it is. So then now this is the cake boards and cake spacers and then cake table, and then there are those jars in which you make even those sundaes and everything. And now these flowers are the ones which are used for the cake decoration, and some fillers also for the cake. And now this is a cake spacer, and then all those molds and everything. And now here there is this whipping cream and then everything, the margarine and then butter and whatever. Now this is the fuspus wala color which is used on the whipped cream wala roses. And now these are all the sprinklers, all the different colors and different kind of designs. And now here this is a space where they pack all the customers when they place order online. It is all done over here, and even my packing also was done over there. For many years I've been ordering. It's more than 7-8 years. So they were kind enough to show me their entire go down, where they keep everything of theirs, all their जो भी माल आता है वो यहाँ पे होता है उनका. So now this is all the ये जो अपना केक का जो ये रहता है ना, it is the premix, all that. And now these are canned fruits, that is Alfonso mango, then pineapple slices, cherries, fruit cocktail. And now this is gel food color. And now these are the molds, all those marzipan wala, fondant wala. And you get each and everything, whatever is required for your baking, from A to Z. There's nothing that they have something less of, and if they don't have it, they'll make sure that they get it immediately when you are at the store. Not that चलो भाई कल आना कल मिलेगा, नहीं, सब उसी दिन मिलेगा और उसी समय पे मिलेगा. And now these are the gel food color, and then food essence as well. And now these are the edible glitter, my favorite section, because for most of my cakes you will see I always use it. And now this is the things what I purchased from there. And here this is my bill. Actually my bill, the total had come to something 8,840, and I got a discount of 7,340, so I had to pay was 1,500. So that's all in my today's vlog. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Mystical Ventures, and do visit the store if you are in Mumbai. You can visit the Arif store at Bandra, Dadar, Borivali, Malad, Andheri, Mira Road, Navi Mumbai, Vasai, CST, Thane, Matunga or Dombivli. And around India they have their outlets at Gujarat, Goa, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and if you can't visit their store you can order online as well.